In this video we are going to create a folder that is middleware, and in the middleware we will create a auth.js file and create a authentication process. Here in the folder middleware we will create a file that is auth.js. In auth.js we will create a code and apply it in all the routes, protected routes. It will allow that only those user that is login. The pages that is protected is only used by the login user. No one can access it. So for making it, you have to write a file that is auth.js. Here, first of all, you have to require JWT. So const JWT equals to require JWT. The next thing is you have to require config also. So const config equals to require config. Here you have to export a module.export, and creating a function request response and next is a kind of a middleware which takes this function takes three arguments: request, response and next. Here we have to get token from the header. I am commenting out here, and what we'll do, we will get token from the header, what we have seen in the last video. Here I am commenting out here, get token from headers. Okay, to get token we have to write const token equals to request dot header, and here you can write a name auth token. We will use it in the Postman. You will see it later. If there is no token, you can write a simple message, check if not token. If not token, you can write a status 401 error message. The return is .status 401.json, and the JSON you write message no token found. Authorization denied. Okay, if we get our token, then we should verify our token. To verify token we should use jwt.verify. I will put it all into my try catch block. If any kind of error, it will status 401 and token not valid. But in the try block I am decoding it with the verifying it. jwt.verify. In the verify it will take two arguments. First of all it will take token and also getting the JWT secret for config.get JWT secret. Now we will request.user equals to decoded.user. All the user information will come into this. Okay, now we also put a next button here, so the process will be continue. Here in the catch block I will send an error message with 401 status, and the message will be token not found. Message token not found or not valid. That's all for this middleware, we should not have to touch it again. Just save this file and apply it in a route. To apply it, go to the auth.js for a testing purpose, and here is just for a testing purpose. We will apply it in our main routes. So here in the get route I will use it. To using it, first of all you have to require that file. So const auth equals to require / middleware and auth. Fine, I'm getting this auth file here. I'm just putting it between this. Now as you can see, I am putting a middleware in a get route. If I am applying a token, then I can use this route. Here in a new file, I am writing here the address localhost 5000/auth API/auth. Here as you can see, no token authorized, an error message is showing up. If you have to get this, you have to use that token. For getting that token, I am copying it, or you can regenerate it, but it is valid for 1 hour. Just copy that token and apply it in header of the page. Here in the header section, here write xauth token and paste the token here. Now when we'll send here, you can see auth route is coming. That's all what about the authorization. Only the user who has the token can use the protected fields routes. Okay, understand? That's all for this video. Thank you so much.